Hello everyone, it's Cash here, back with another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make game passes in Roblox Studio. So let's get started. First things first, you're going to need to publish your game to Roblox. So you can do this by going to File, Publish to Roblox. And then what we're going to do is go into the Roblox website and create a game pass for our place. So here we are, and here's the game pass. So if we go to the game, it's just a place. You can find this on Create. You're just going to go to Store, and you're going to press Add Pass, and you're just going to create a Game Pass. And then, after that, you go to the Game Pass, and you copy this ID up here. Then we go to Roblox, and we can get to scripting. So we're going to just call this Game Pass, and we're going to do local Game Pass ID equals this. And then we can do local players, or actually local marketplace service equals game get service marketplace service. Local players equals game dot players. And then we can also just make a function. So function check game pass. And then this will be player. And then we can do players dot player added connect check game pass. So then when we go up here, we can do local owns Game Pass equals to marketplace, and then player own, or not player owns, it's something Game Pass. Oh yeah, user owns Game Pass Sync. And just do player user ID, and then we can do the Game Pass ID, and then this will see if we own the Game Pass. So we can do print own Game Pass. After we print it, we can do if owns Game Pass, then, and then else, and we'll have both of that. Okay? And then we can also up here, just so we know, player owns Game Pass, and it'll be false or true or whatever. Okay? And now we need to make it so it gives you something if you have the Game Pass. So to do that, I'm just going to make a tool. You can do whatever you want. So just put the code in there or something like that if you want to do that. But I'm going to make a tool, and you only get the tool if you have that Game Pass. Alright? So I'm just going to make a simple tool real quick. Just add a part, scale it down. Okay? And then we can name that part handle. And then this part is just going to be transparent and it can't collide, and this will be called VIP. So that's a VIP tool. And then we can just make a simple script that does something with it, like plays a sound. So let's go on here, let's go to audio, and then we'll do I don't know, like a oof sound. And then you can just find one. That one works, but we need one more. I guess we'll do this one. Try to find a quicker one. But then we can just create a sound up here. And then we are going to call this just sound. Put the ID in there. Right here. And we want to start it halfway in, so just time position. And I think that goes faster, I don't know. And then we can just do play on remove. And then add a script. Script.parent.activate connect function. Script.parent.sound. And then clone. Local sound destroy, and then put this in server storage, and then if owns Game Pass game.serverstorage.vip clone, and then we also want to do it every time the player dies, so I'm going to show you how to do that, so just wait for that. Alright, so game.serverstorage.vip clone, and what this does is just going to clone it, and we can get the tool. So local tool equals that, and then we can do tool.parent is equal to player.player backpack, or player.backpack. Okay, so that gives them the tool. And then what we're going to do is also, if like we can add like a debounce for this, so like they can't just keep getting multiple and multiple tools. And I'll show you how to do that too, maybe actually. But then we, if else, then just delete this. Okay. And then we're also gonna do if owns Gamepass and not player.backpack find first child VIP or and not player.backpack find first child VIP, and not backpack but do player.character. Alright, and then it should work. Okay, and now to make it so it loads every time, first of all, let's just go check and make sure it does work. So as you can see, it gave me that Gamepass, and the actual thing isn't working, like the actual script right here. So what we need to do, plan remove is actually there. Let's get rid of this. Script.parent.sound clone. Oh, I know what it was. You can keep this the same. Sound.parent equals script.parent. Okay. And we got an error right here. So attempt to index no with find first child. So there's no player.character yet, so we have to do up here repeat wait until player.character added, or player.character, or well, actually just do local character equals player.character or player.character added wait. Okay, and we can just change this to character. Alrighty. Now, as you can see, we have the tool, and we can just play the oof as many times as we want. So that's the Gamepass right there. And if we were to change the Gamepass ID and